We're going to go ahead and continue on with looking at our different modifiers. So in the little wrench tab on our properties editor, we're going to go down to add modifier, and I'm going to choose it from the generate column. I'm going to go down to where it says build, and this one I went with a shape a little bit more complicated than our default cube, mainly because I wanted you to see a little bit of how this works. I'm going to go to the very beginning of my timeline, and there it's gone. If I hit play, I can see this start to generate a little bit by bit. If I go and click on random here, I can have it randomly form from the different sections of that mesh. And then just be aware, and you can also do reverse, so I could start with it all built, hit play, and watch it kind of disappear there. If you're going through this and you're like finding a spot that you like on it and say, like, that's the way I want it to look, if you hit apply, then that mesh now will no longer be an animated object, but will actually just have whatever you applied that mesh as. Again, that's the build modifier, and that's all we got for this one.